see, Gigi, you know, see, first he did this industry, but get at least like 4 wives for USA and Nigeria now. Look at the planet at US. What will be the advice?
Let me go focus on your wife and picking.
We Gigi, so we talk like I go accept and God bless you. No, say hi to the chat. Say hi to the chat.
Okay.
Say hi to my chat.
I give Carter Efe this.
So say hi to you.
I give Carter Efe this advice yesterday. A day, now he call me. You got them say, Geh Geh, you get one girl when you get for US, so he say, but the girl they give him attitude. Say because he took the spit, all those things. God be like saying the girl they form say Carter they disgrace him online, all those kind of things. So what's my advice? You know what I tell her? Many people hear that advice for the comment section. I got to say many people they talk say why go advise Carter if you make it focus on one woman. After I tell people say polygamy is the best way to live life as a man. Many of them don't know the reason why I give Carter Efe that advice. The more reason I give her that advice, your life will be much more easier if you focus on people who love you more than the people you love. Me and one guy they talk yesterday. He said, I get guy to the couple, all those your many baby mama. I said, the couple, all those your many baby mama. I tell her one thing, I say it's very, very simple. He said, how? I tell her say it's simple because I focus on people who love me more than I love them. Not be like say you not go love the person. I love all my baby mamas, you understand? I love my baby mamas so much. But they love me more than I love them. And the reason why they feel they tolerate me. But the day you don't focus on people who are not really interested in you, that's how you go they prove love. They not they prove love. Love just simply they there. You get what you do for your parents who made they love you. As you did like you feel toss again, now this reason I mean my father love me, or now this reason my mother love me. They just love you. You don't do anything for them. They just love you the way you did. Now so love me. So the moment you don't they prove love, it means because the people they are not really that interested in you. So because I tell us, may focus on the wife, not mean say if you see another toto where they need to be pounded, you know go pound down. Toto fever. Make you not go the shiva. Toto fever. Make you not go the shiva.
And remember, like and subscribe. Smash that button now.